If you own or manage a commercial property or homeowners association, you may experience the challenges involved in maintaining a quality appearance, ensuring the safety of employees, patrons, and residents, being responsive and dealing with unexpected issues. Having a partner to help manage hard surfaces can alleviate some of the persistent concerns that threaten exterior property health. Would you benefit from a partner who can apply advanced thinking, accessing decades of knowledge and experience, advanced technology, working smarter to improve deliverables, saving you time and money, advanced commitment, bringing the best people together with a culture of excellence and a common goal of being the best, advanced performance, leading the industry in how installation and maintenance is delivered to end users. Advanced Pavement Group offers a unique approach to asphalt, concrete, drainage, and maintenance for property owners and managers. Advanced in all directions, understanding how everything on grade and below supports all of your assets above. Covering the four corners of your property, uniquely positioned to understand and deliver data on how your hard surface installation and maintenance can work alongside all of your property objectives. Failing asphalt, hazardous concrete, inadequate drainage systems, all of these elements of your property profile can be managed with help from the right team with the right tools. Advanced Pavement Group will work with you to provide insight on how you can take action on immediate maintenance items, extend the life of existing hard surfaces, and prepare for major projects in the future. We believe that good isn't good enough, exceptional shouldn't be the exception, and your vision should align with our vision, which is simply to be the best by executing as an Academy class organization, making us the logical choice in the pavement installation and maintenance market. Let's start with the conversation. Call 1-833-PAVE-APG or learn more at advancedpavementgroup.com.